Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jay Ken. I am actually coming to you live from Florida instead of Utah. I'm on a little bit of vacation. First time in like 4 or 5 years that I've done this. So feeling really good. But I wanted to check in really quickly with you guys because there was a video I made about a week ago called different hair system styles for ages and stuff or whatever. I don't know what the video was called exactly. But I pulled images from the Facebook group called Hair Systems, which Lord Hair runs. And also, I said this video is sponsored by Lord Hair. We talked about, this kind of video idea, but we didn't really go over the specifics. And I didn't mention that I was going to pull some transformation images from that people had. Some people commented in the video and reached out to me directly. Some were okay with the video. They were inside of the video. They were fine with it. They were happy to be there. Others were a little less so okay with that. And they felt like it shouldn't have been posted because it was a private group. So I have decided to take it down. This is my, I guess my first like YouTube apology or something, but I'm not going to do the crappy thing where I say, sorry for all this and explain my reasoning or my rationale. The video made a couple people uncomfortable that were inside of the video. So I'm just going to take it down. No explanation, beyond that or my rationale for making the video or anything. It's made some people uncomfortable that were inside of it. So the right thing to do is take it down. That video is not Lord Hair's responsibility though, it's mine. I came up with the idea and we didn't like directly communicate with them that I was going to do it the way that I was going to do it. So it's my fault, don't put any blame on Lord Hair for that. If you want to not like somebody, feel free to not like me. Don't make it about them. It was a lapse in, I guess it was just a mistake that made some people uncomfortable, and I own up to that. So, anyways, things are going good. I'm sorry that that affected people, and some people may have felt exposed to some degree outside of that Facebook group. So that won't happen again to anybody. So feel free to keep posting inside of that group, even if you are not, knowingly telling other people that you're wearing a hair system, things like that. We won't ever pull anything from that group again in that way. And yeah, other than that though, vacation is good. It's getting some relaxation in. Videos are coming to you scheduled as normal, and some big things on the way. If you do want to talk about your transformation, if you want to share your journey, your before and after, all that kind of stuff, please reach out via email or DM, things like that, because those are the most powerful things to put on this channel to show people that other people are changing their life and feeling much more confident by taking action. Anyways, guys, I'll see you soon. I hope you're having a great week, and we'll chat.